Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Lumax Auto Technologies. Our analyst maintains buy on Lumax with a revised price target of Rs 767 based on the anticipated improvement in the product mix, increased content per vehicle, inorganic growth opportunity and expanded growth opportunities supported by IACI's business. With the acquisition of a 60% stake in Green Fuel, LATL has marked its entry into the CNG segment. The company continued to focus on inorganic growth through acquisition and partnership in high potential industries. Price to equity multiple of 19.6 times FY26 and 16.6 times FY27, and also EV by EBITDA multiple of 8.5 times FY26 and 7.5 times its FY27 earning estimates. Next, we have an update on Hindustan Aeronautics. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Hindustan Aeronautics for a target price of Rs 5,477. Significant order inflows led to positive sentiments for HAL. Ministry of Defence has signed contract with HAL for supply of 12 Su-30 MKI aircraft worth Rs 13,500 crores, helping HAL further build up on already strong order backlog of 1.2 lakh to 1.35 lakh rupees crore, which is 4 times its trailing 12 months revenue. Additionally, HAL has a strong order pipeline of Rs 1.6 lakh crore over 4 to 5 years. The stock has outperformed indices and currently trading at price to equity multiple of 34 times FY26 and 30 times FY27 estimated EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.